How to fix Google Play payment declined error. If you've ever tried to make a purchase on Google Play only to get the dreaded payment declined error, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to walk through some simple solutions to get your Google Play payment working again. First things first, this error is pretty common, but don't worry, it's usually something simple to fix. Let's look at some reason why this happens. Some of the few common reasons are insufficient funds, payment method issues, billing information mismatch, bank blocking payment, or Google Play account problems. Now let's start by fixing these issues. First things first, what you need to do is check if your credit or debit card, PayPal account, or other payment methods are listed in the payment methods of Google Play. If your payment method has expired or is outdated, update it by adding a new one or correcting the details. Double check your billing information. Make sure your name, address, and contact details match the information your bank or payment provider has on file. Even a small discrepancy can lead to payment declines, so make sure everything matches up. Check that there are enough funds in your account to cover the purchase. If you're using a credit card, ensure your credit limit isn't maxed out. Sometimes the error happens because the account doesn't have enough money, so make sure everything looks good there. If you've checked everything and the issue persists, it might be worth contacting your bank or payment provider. Sometimes they block payments for security reasons, especially if it's an international transaction. Give them a call or use their online support and ask if they blocked your payment. And that's it. These are some simple ways to fix the payment declined error on Google Play. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us like, share, and subscribe.